Good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I got something here very special. And for the past, I don't know if anybody seen Import Tuner or had Import Tuner magazines. I was big in the import scene. I love collecting them. Super Street, Import Tuner, Honda Tuner. Man, there's a whole list of magazines I used to collect. Turbo. Oh my God, there's a lot. But the reason why I like getting more into the import tuner, because there's some of the issues has a comic book, which is pretty good. I mean, it kind of inspired. Nah, it did inspire me for making my own comic book, which I'm still on the process of making. But yeah, watch this. This box. Oh my gosh. Yo. Look at this, bros. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. This is freaking awesome, dude. Yo. Otto. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Finally, bro. Look at this Supra. The Dupra. Super Dupra. Yo. They go Max, bro. Look at this. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Man. I got the Linear. Ooh. Yo. Awesome, man. Yeah. Dennis, thank you, man. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate them a lot. But being that these are collector editions, I am not going to open them. You can ask my wife. If anything that's a collector's, I don't open. Right, babe?
Well, you have to read them.
What you think? Cute girl. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna open it. Honestly.
Open them. You read it.
Of course I'm gonna read it. But thank you. Thank you a lot. I mean, I really do. I really do appreciate it, man. If those of you who don't know who's Dennis and what does he do, yo, I ain't gonna lie. I look up to him, man. He's a great inspiration for me. Especially when I was looking up for car magazines, Import Tuner. That's where I first saw his comic book on. And it got me, like, yeah, the whole XBZ and dude, it's a whole lot of stuff, and I really do. I really appreciate it. I'm very happy. I'm lost for words, but Yo, y'all need to check him out. If y'all don't know his Instagram, I'm gonna post that. It's either here or there. Yeah, check him out. Check his dude. Check him out. He's awesome, man. He's very awesome. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Give me any comment that you want. I want to hear from you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will let you know. Oh my God, this girl. Say hi. Ow. Cake girl, there's cake all over her face right there. Vanilla. All right, guys. See ya.